Okay, right now I'm about to speak about the squad, but I'm gonna be including us as Kosi and yeah, man. Okay, first of all, there's this whole drama available. Somehow it could be a good, somehow it could be a bad thing because there's this thing which we are still having the issue. Most of our fans were they're having a problem with it. Our players here today are not being selected by Hugo Bruce. So this time Melo was selected one player, and now we are on to players with the Omonyane also like coming up. Yabo. So Umdu didn't start up the match, the last match. Yabo. So do you think it's like angaqala like the match lesodlala in Nigeria and stuff and regarding to like the way vele match vele yabo ingakhona the nature of the match vele so besidlala against Nigeria. I think somehow because like in Nigeria would be wanting which like by push about more and anything I notice about Ngomdu. He's that type of a player. If like in Lala like maybe Flambe against like it teams about and a lower quality than Nina. He's not that type of a player which maybe Flambe like he can control very about image. I be very slow very about like a break like those blocks very by Fagile move. But if like you match a pound to pound. Me personally, I just wanna say, which like it will be a nature of a match that will require to or die. But we'll see which bazofaka again Super Bowl or what, or they might bring him up or anyeke bamblade. But sitting as which was bangamfaki, yo. Lot of the consequences about like bazo like you baba painful and stuff like that because you know like the way like in a corner somehow we don't even making this as a South African fan. We are not even making this about Ibafana Bafana. We are just making it on Gube ish about like on the basis of like our clubs and stuff. So yeah, should he start? Are we gonna see him play or what? So yeah, I just wanted to say that, put that out there. Thank you.